Hello everyone to our JavaScript course. It's the okay, as it's so much clear that it's the introduction to our course. Without further ado, let's just get started because now you are programming. You don't have any time for anything, and you don't have time to waste from now onward. Why GS? In this channel, we are teaching cybersecurity. We are trying to make cybersecurity is to enter this field. So why GS? Why I chose the GS? If you watch the introduction, or we can say not introduction, but the roadmap of cybersecurity or being a bug bounty, I said that you need to learn the basics of programming, and JavaScript teaches you the basics of programming really well. And actually, I didn't only choose it for that. I also choose JavaScript to start our process or our journey with, because JavaScript we needed to build websites. Why I have to build a website to be cybersecurity? Because I want you to make programmers mistakes and once you do them and finish them and build a database, because we will learn later how we will learn PHP to build a database of our websites. You will also you will try to hack them. You will try to hack yourself and find the vulnerabilities you've made in your code. Okay, so it's really essential. I found that we hit 2 points literally one time. Like I said, it's good to start with, and it's not a hard language as you think. So that's why we will learn with JavaScript. Okay, what do you need to learn or to start learning? Install Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's the text editor that I use now. Is Visual Studio Code, the one that you see now with your own eyes. It's called Visual Studio Code, which is the tool that we will use to code and to do all our works, we can say. If you don't understand what Visual Studio codes and how it works and stuff like that, just search on YouTube or something about it, or you will almost also find me leaving a video there about it, like explaining what Visual Studio Code and what you need to know about it. Create a folder, just a random folder, put it in anywhere, but it's preferred to put it in somewhere you can say, and call it, I don't know, maybe Cyber Rainy, or maybe call it, I don't know, anything cybersecurity journey or something. And I want you to open it here. Open it here in Visual Studio Code. Just once you finish installing Visual Studio Code, just open it. Okay, and you already created the file. Click here, file, and then open folder. And search for your folder and open it here. Once you do that, there is a tab is gonna appear here. It's gonna look like that. Okay, it's gonna look like that. Okay. So once you open it, you'll find your folder opened here. Okay, my folder called Learn.js. Okay, I want you to create JS and HTML file. How can I do that? Simply, just click here and call it, I don't know, whatever. Like for example, learning.js. And now we have JS file, JavaScript file. Okay. How about HTML? Because if you don't know, actually you have to know that, but you have to learn HTML and see HTML. That's it. It's literally very long, easy. I mean language. So you can just go and learn it in our channel. You will find also in our channel. If you don't find, means that it's not uploaded yet, and you can just go to learn it from anyone on YouTube. A lot of resources. A lot of people teach you HTML in literally maybe 1 hour or something. It's not a big deal. Okay, so just go ahead here, and new file. Call it index or Ahmed or Jane, Michael, whatever .html. And press enter. Now we have our HTML file. So we'll create, okay, see this sign or see this symbol? Just do it and enter. Now we have our HTML page. Okay, so how can we upload? We need just to do one more step. Okay, listen to me again, because I think you are kind of confused, because I'm trying, I don't know, I'm trying my best to make it easy, but I think I make it complicated. Okay, listen to me. Okay, I help you. You will create a folder, download Visual Studio Code. You will open Visual Studio Code, and you will go to the file option up there, here, okay, and you will open the folder you've made. Once you do that, open this tab, click click on that new file, and create a file, call it whatever you want, .gs, okay, gs, like that, okay, anything gs, and press enter. Now you have the gs file. Okay, do the same with html. Okay. What else we need to do is to put our gs here, or to link our gs folder here. How can we do that? Just go to the html file, okay, and go to the body. It's preferred to put it here, okay, script, write script, and press enter. It's gonna appear, that's script source, and then learn gs. That's it. We linked our JavaScript file to our HTML. Why we need to do that? So we can do what you will see right now, which is we are going to open the file here. But before that, I want you to do something. Okay, right here, check if you are at the same point with me. Okay, now we will go to this tab and write server. Okay, live server. See this? Download it, okay, and install it. And once you do that, go ahead to this tab, okay, right click, open live server. Okay. Now, are you with me? Are you following? Hope you are following. Okay, now close this tab and write here, where's the body? Write anything, just write my cyber security journey just started, and control S, and your text is gonna appear here, because this is the website where we will literally experience everything we learn. Okay, and I think, okay, we finished this point, and we finished also this point, and now let's go to the third one, which is consistency. I will make sure, I try my best to make my episodes are literally less than 5 minutes, or maybe more. Sometimes it's gonna be more. Okay, 10 minutes, 10 minutes at least, so you can easily review them, and you don't feel like it's a burden or something. Or if you feel lazy one day, you can just watch one episode in 5 minutes. Okay, it's not gonna be long. We are gonna try to be consistent too, and I'll try to upload the full course here, which is I will upload what we need to learn from JavaScript. Okay. Tips, some tips I will give it to you. Watch again if you don't understand. If you face a problem with understanding anything, watch it again. If you don't understand from me, it's okay. My goal is not to get as many as people here on my channel, but my goal is to learn. I want you to learn, okay? Just lay with me. A lot of people on YouTube teach you JavaScript. You can just go straight to them and learn it. Or if you don't like their style and you love my style, but you don't understand a specific point I do, you can just ignore me at the beginning and go to these people and watch what you can understand from me in their channel, and come back to me later on. Okay, always search. I don't understand that code. I don't understand how it works. I don't understand you, Ryan. I don't understand anyone. Just search on Google on like how to do this function, why this function doesn't work, how can I do such and such. I don't. Okay, for example, you finish the course but you don't remember a lot of things. You can just search. You can search on them on YouTube or anything. So this is for searching point. There are a lot of websites like Stack Overflow, which is packed with questions. Okay, a lot of people ask before you do about your problem. So you can just go ahead there to this website, and you will find your problem there. Mozilla and Geek, and also Web3 school, W Web. Okay, I forgot. This like a lot of websites, a lot of trusted websites that we can say they contain or they have all the things that relatives to web development, all the functions, all the tools, all the methods. You'll find it there, explained in extremely simplified way. In every episode, every lesson we give, I will leave behind in the description below a summarization for the class and assignments. It's really essential to do the assignments because you need to from now to have some practical work. Later on, inshallah, we will also start learning. No, start solving some problems together. We'll start we'll start doing some problem solving, okay, with JavaScript. We will learn a lot. Your mind will start thinking right as a programmer, as a cybersecurity. And remember our rule: the better you are at programming. Okay, what is that? The better you are at cybersecurity or hacking. Okay, hacking is gonna be better. Okay, like the same. Okay. So congratulations if you reached this point and you did all the last steps, the previous steps. You are ready now to start your journey as a cybersecurity. I don't want you to feel lazy or something. As I said, it's really flexible. If you don't understand from my introduction, because I'm kind of hurry, okay? I'm sorry. Maybe I will re-record this again or something. But really, if you don't understand from me, it's okay. Just ignore me and go ahead to someone else and watch it. Watch the introduction, but come back to me because I'll teach you a lot of things, okay? And that's it. That's the beginning. Get started now. Get started. I think if you see this in the future, you will find almost the courses fully uploaded here. So for free, with a lot of assignments, with a lot of things, a lot of knowledge. I will not hide anything from you. I will try to give you everything. Just start the journey. Just start from now onward. The videos are literally 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. It's nothing. I will not record more than that. Just one episode per day, please. Be consistent, and that's it. Without further ado, I'm ready for you in this next episode. So don't get late because I have no patience really to see you. See you there, inshallah, and please, consistency is key. And that's it. See you in the next episode.